Hello everyone. Sometimes we are facing some problems, like we can't delete some folders, like it's showing access is denied, something like that. So now I will show you how to delete your folders, which is can't deleting. So now I'll go uh, to any folder. Okay, so I'll show you this. Okay, I'll copy this this one. This one. Here is some icons, some software icons of folders. So now looking like this type of thing. So here it is. So if you wanna delete this, so press shift and delete. Click on it, shift and delete. Okay, yes, delete. See, now it's already deleted. So it's like if it like you are trying but you can't delete this. So now here is some example you can do. You can use the unlocker software. I'll show you the software. This is the easiest process. You can delete all kind of folders which is related with viruses. So now it's already installed. So here I'm gonna delete this. Here is the icon. Okay, so here is start unlocker. Okay, you can download this any site, any software sites. It's free software and you can search it in Google, then you can get this software. Okay, so click on it. Okay. So you can delete this any kind of thing, any virus related software or any log software, hidden software. So click it. Okay, here no looking handle found. Okay, so delete, rename, move. Okay, so I choose delete, click on it. The object was deleted. This is the easiest way you can delete the any kind of software which is so much difficult to delete. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please comment in below. I will reply your questions, and please subscribe my channel, and please like this video and share this video. Thanks for watching.